You're in a human body right now, but it's very rarely attained. And now we got the human birth. Then what comes next? Bahusam. Actually, I should have said the next word because that part is incomplete. Vasudurlabhamidang bahusambhavante manusham. Human birth. Then, same word, artadam. It has great value. It can give us great value, but anitya. It's comes and goes very quickly. Apihadhira, but still people who are sober-minded, what do? Turnam yateta napateta anumritya yava nishrayasaya vishaya kalu sarvatasyat. What do? Realizing the time is very brief. They know I'm going to die soon, but I've got to do whatever is required before I die this time to take advantage of that human birth so I don't get born again. So I have to make the best use of it. And if you think, let me enjoy sense gratification. I was walking around in the village holding cow dung on my head. Now I came to Bangalore, so I should enjoy myself. I should go to parties and pubs and enjoy myself. But Vishaya Kalu Sarvata Syat. Sense gratification is available in every species of life. I've been staying in a village in Tamil Nadu for the last few months. So a lot of rain, a lot of frogs. Who wants to take birth as... Everyone who wants to take birth as a frog, please raise your hands. No one? No one? You've already been there, seen that, done that, right? We've already been frogs before. But the frogs, they think, I'm happy being a frog. When the snake comes to catch them, they hop away as fast as they can. I don't want to stop being a frog. It's great. I got all these nice bugs to eat, and I can jump around as much as I like. Don't have to go to the office. Great. It's great being a frog. They get their sense gratification. What sense gratification do you get? There's eating, sleeping, mating. They get it. Not very sophisticated, but as far as they... And they sing at night. As far as they're concerned, it's as good as the best rock band that ever existed. So they get their sense gratification. Every life you get sense gratification. So, having got this human form of birth, we should consider, pray to Krishna, Krishna, I don't want to become a frog again.